All right, day 2 update, and it's been a busy one here in McCordsville. So we're so grateful we were able to get Patterson here, and huge shout out to our rep, our awesome rep Ryan, and the crew that's here now. So as you guys can see, we did have to disassemble. This is our vacuum. So this is the Mojave vacuum pump from Air Techniques. It is a very nice, really nice system. We bought, this is the exact unit we got for our Logansport practice and Dill Family Dentistry this year. Unfortunately, with the water, it did short circuit. So what Patterson's doing now is they're installing our new upgraded Mojave system. And we're having to sit on the old unit just to make sure the insurance adjusters and all this stuff have the chance to take a look at it. But so Patterson's been here, the plumbers have been out. So far, that's been one of the stickier quotes. So it's $11,000 for the new Mojave vacuum. So, and we're going to get a new amalgam separator with that, just as we're doing a new contraption. So about $12,000 total for that. And then we're doing plumbing. So right now, to replumb the kind of front quadrant of our office where we think we had the pipes burst, again, think being the key word, $12,000 right now we're going in from a plumbing quote. So again, keep us in your prayers. Hopefully that $12,000 follows it and follows it and finds it, and that's all that's needed. And then for the restoration company, they were here today. They're coming back with more equipment tomorrow. Things are moving, thankfully, with the vacuum being there, the compressor working. We have a chance to be seeing some patients, maybe even Thursday of this week. So we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we can make as much progress as we have today. I think there's a good chance. So we'll hop on in here. I want to show and highlight the awesome people from Patterson that are getting us squared away and kind of show you what we're working with. But here, these are our saviors, the men of the hour right here. I'm just doing a little YouTube video, guys, showing everybody what we're doing. Here is the new Mojave system. Beautiful equipment, and again, can't say enough awesome things about the crew of Patterson for being able to get out here today, a couple days after Christmas, when everybody is too oversubscribed. It just means so much to be able to have this back and running as quick as possible. And again, if we can see patients Thursday, that's a massive win. So stay tuned for more. But again, if you guys ever do need good support, Patterson's where it's at.